This one is a Porter cable. I'm going to do both pieces at the same time. Porter cable charger and a Porter cable drill.
Old electronics scattered round, silent circuits, no more sound. Scrapping through these memories now, copper wires, aluminum somehow. Still remember how it stayed, melting hours into days. Silver traces on the board, all the things we can't afford to lose again, to lose again. In the acid bath, everything becomes refined.
I did get this as a whole kit. Came with batteries. Batteries were no good. And this thing is shooting sparks like crazy. I mean, one battery had enough juice to spin this thing, but it was shooting sparks like crazy, so it is no good anymore. So I've got my garden shredder. Set up over here in the shop. And I found that it is actually really good at shredding wires. So I am just taking my wires, sending them through there. And that's what comes out the other end. This can then go through my granulator much easier than the whole wires can. Let's see what we got. But this is just a charger. We got actually what looks like decent copper contacts on this one. Normally they're just like copper plated steel, and those are actually copper. I'll go through the granulator or the shredder. A couple nice little aluminum extruded aluminum heat sinks in here. Some copper bearing items. Chip. That's actually a socketed chip. Another chip over there. Another little chip over here. A couple little ceramic capacitors. And some various other capacitors. And that may be a relay. That actually looks like a relay maybe. So, decent little board for just a power board. A couple of LEDs will go after the golden one. Well, with all the rest. Now, let's see if we can get you a part. You using can't tell if these are quartz or hexes, but quartz will work in a hex. motor. The rest of this is the drive assembly here. To get this off, unscrew this all the way, or open this up all the way, I should say. Gonna be difficult. Remember, these are reverse threaded. Still moving on me. Grease all over myself. One more way we can try it here. Get the shock factor. Well, everything's popped free. Now I'll have to go and clean all this up later, but that was all the planetary gears and whatnot, the part of the transmission work at least. They look to be decent quality. A couple of the ones I can see on the ground here, they're metal. So I'll try and hold on to those. That's a bearing assembly. It's part of the planetary gear. I have 5 gears on the back here that spun around, and that'll make this one big one spin. There's another section of the planetary gear up in here, but I need to unscrew this to get to it. So I'll have to take this apart at another time. Not sure. I thought this was going through. I'm not sure it is actually. That's about the same size. There's you. See what we can do here. Work at this to get this off. I'm probably going to destroy the chuck doing it. In fact, it's already tightened this way. So, may need to torch this to get it to loosen up. But I do want to get to those gears because I'd like to get them out. You can see how it works. There's a gear on the outside that turns those planetary gears that would turn it on that other shaft. It's actually the other shaft, the center shaft that would be spinning these and spinning everything else to make it turn. But that's what gears it down from about 1,000 RPMs down to what you need to be able to work. I'll take that apart for you. This motor since I saw sparks coming off this thing, it's going to go into copper recovery because more than likely that's copper. That's the copper motors I've got to take care of over here. Copper contact on this, not the cheap stuff. That's solid copper as well. MOSFET there. So that was a copper heat sink. Nice. There's potential for soldering this in the switch contacts. And I think that's it for that one. So, okay. Have a good one, guys.